Growth Guarantee Business Loan to support UK business. Growth Guarantee Business Loan in the UK are designed to help small and medium-sized business to access the funding need to grow their operations. These loans are partially guaranteed by the government or a financial institution, reducing the risk for lenders and enabling business that might not meet traditional lending criteria to secure financing. The guarantee typically covers a significant portion of the loan, making it easier for lenders to approve application. These loans can be used for variety purposes such as purchasing new equipment, expanding premises, hiring additional staff, or entering a new market. Eligible business generally need to demonstrate a viable growth plan, be an established company with a certain level of turnover, and have a reasonable credit history. Specific eligibility requirement can vary by lender and loan program. Loan amounts can range from £10,000 to £1,000,000, with the repayment term usually between 1 and 10 years. Interest rate on growth guarantee loan are often more competitive than standard business loan, reflecting the reduced risk to lender. The application process typically involves submitting a detailed business plan, financial statement, and other documentation to demonstrate the business growth and potential repayment ability. We have uploaded more than 900 video in our YouTube channel, subject related to UK tax, startup and business.